In the bustling corridors of education, school forms serve as the silent sentinels, capturing essential data and shaping the education journey. As we embark on these learning adventures, our focus sharpens on understanding these forms, their purpose, their significance, and their role in fostering effective teaching and learning. Beyond mere paperwork, they hold the key to unlocking student potential and ensuring a seamless education experience. Join us as we delve into the intricacies of school forms and dive headfirst into the art of grade computation, guided by the DepEd assessment criteria.
DepEd school forms are essential documents used by the Department of Education in the Philippines to gather and organize data about students, teachers, and schools. These forms are important in monitoring and evaluating the educational system, tracking student progress, and ensuring accountability. As future educator, understanding and utilizing these forms effectively will be vital in providing quality education and improving teaching practices. Familiarity with DepEd school forms will not only streamline administrative processes, but also contribute to better decision-making and planning within the education sector.
Reflecting on my exposure to DepEd forms and A-class records during this activity, I gained valuable insight into the standards and competency-based grading system of K-12 educational program. Learning to use E-class records and compute grades accurately highlighted the importance of precision and consistency in evaluating students' performances. Understanding the components of written works, performance tasks, and quarterly assessment helped me appreciate the multifaceted nature of grading. These experiences reinforced my commitment to fairness and transparency in assessment, ensuring that every student achievement are accurately reflected and supporting their educational growth.
This activity was really hands-on for us. We learned about different school forms, what they're for, and how to actually use them. Also, we actually downloaded and filled out sample DepEd forms and they were super helpful. Plus, practicing grade computations using the DepEd criteria gave us a good understanding of how it all works. Overall, it was a practical experience again for us and it gave us a real feel for school administration tasks.
In this activity, we have been immersed on the different school forms of the Department of Education. We also have an experience in computing students' grades using the forms and A-class records, which is very crucial for us. Also, I have learned to access the DepEd LIS to download and fill out some samples of school forms. Overall, this activity was very insightful as well as overwhelmed me somehow.
Identifying school forms and their uses was insightful, revealing that these forms are essential for documenting and tracking students' academic journeys, serving as official records for attendance, performance, and other critical data that inform educational decisions and reflect student progress.
Managing student grades electronically can be efficient. The Department of Education offers friendly ECR templates that follow their grading guidelines. These Excel spreadsheets ensure accurate, secure grading, while the SF3 is considered the easiest to complete. SF9 is the most demanding due to its impact on student lives and its role as a prerequisite for other forms. Careful data entry is essential to minimize error in these crucial forms.
Overall, this experience has been instrumental in shaping our understanding of research methodology on our capacity to effect positive changes in our academic and professional spheres.
Each and every school form has a specific function that takes time and effort to accomplish. following a few years of education forms, I can say that the two that are easiest to fill out and return are School Form 2, which is the learner's daily class attendance, and School Form 3, that is book issued. Form 2 students can easily be verified and monitored for the number of times they are present, absent, and provide an explanation because there is a designated time slot each day for this purpose. Prior to the start of the during of the class discussion, the teacher needs to verify their attendance.
This learning activity has equipped us with essential skills and knowledge for our future roles as educators. We have learned to identify and understand the purposes of various DepEd school forms, accurately download and fill them out, and apply the DepEd assessment criteria to complete grades. This experience has underscored the importance of meticulous documentation and record keeping in education, preparing us to handle this administrative task with precision and care. As we move forward, the insights and competencies gained here will be invaluable in our professional journey.